What is up, Vetted family? It's Joey. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be continuing our mobility series. I'm going to teach you guys how you can correct your forward posture, get great glute and back activation with one stretch. To set it up, we are going to go ahead and just lay on down. I'm going to start by just squeezing my butt, and you should do that the entire duration of the stretch. Make sure you have your forearms and hands right below you. And this one is great because you can moderate the intensity very easily. So from here, I'm just going to actively start pressing my forearms and hands through the floor and raise my head and chest up. Just like that, squeezing the glutes the whole time. Like I mentioned, you should start to feel your back activate and a big stretch going down through your abdomen. You may even feel it up through your neck if you have a really tight neck. So this is it. We're just going to hold this here 60 to 90 seconds. You can also pulse it up and down if you need to take a break. That's totally fine. Exhale up, reach the crown of the head through the ceiling. You can even squeeze your shoulder blades together if you want more back activation. And then just coming up and down. If your back starts to cramp, that's actually totally fine. It just means we're engaging those underactive muscles and they're starting to get more blood flow. Give this one a shot. If this one is too introductory for you, there is a progression from this one that we call the Cobra pose. Go check that one out if you need a little bit more stretch.